In this video, we're going to talk about how to convert binary numbers into decimal numbers. And we're going to go through plenty of examples so you can master this topic. Let's start with this. Here is an example for binary numbers. 111 with base value 2. 1101 with base value 2. 100 without base value is not a binary number. All the binary number must have a base value 2. With base value 2, 100 is correct binary number. First of all, you should know the power of 2. 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. That means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. So on. Here is an example. Convert binary 111 to decimal. How can we convert this particular binary number, which is a base 2 system? The digits can only be 0 or 1. How can we convert it into a decimal number? Now the first value is 2 to the 0 power is equal to 1. And the second one is going to be this number times 2 to the first power is equal to 2. And the third value is going to be this number times 2 to the second power is equal to 4. So we're going to get 4 plus 2 plus and 1. So the answer is 7. So the binary number 111 has a value of decimal 7. Here is another example. So everywhere you see a 0, you could ignore it. So we only need to focus on the numbers that contain 1. Here is another example. So everywhere you see a 0, you could ignore it. So we only need to focus on the numbers that contain 1. Thanks for watching. Good day.